Hi viewers, hope you are safe at your home. If you have enrolled in Full Stack Master course, then you would have downloaded the source code and with me so far. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback at fullstackmaster1@gmail.com. In the last video, we wrote the code to show the cart items in the shopping cart page and we used an Angular material. In today's session, we will write our order summary view, and so let's begin. In today's session, I will first explain to you the requirements that we have in our order summary. Next, I will teach you the benefit of selectors, how it is standard nowadays in NgRX applications. Next, I will review the overall architecture for this session so that you will understand the high-level picture. Finally, we will write the code together to create selectors required for building our order summary view. If you notice this page, this is the order summary view where we want to show the order subtotal and grand total. Let me walk you through the requirements that we have for the order summary view. So once you are in the products page and you started adding some items with their required quantity in the cart, click on the cart icon and you will be navigated to the shopping cart page. In this page, you will notice we are showing our order summary view. And we are showing order subtotal, total items, shipping cost, tax, and grand total in order summary view. If I update the item quantity, and then you notice the order summary is getting updated immediately. Even when I delete the item, then the order summary is updating immediately, and this is happening reactively, and we are using RxJS here. This kind of application, if you have, you should consider using Redux, where the state of one application, one view is impacting the state of other view. In our project, we are doing the Redux principle, although we are not using NgRX library, so still we are okay. In reactive applications inspired by Redux architecture, we write the selector to query the store and build our views. This gives the benefit that I do not need to store these kind of data which are required for the view into the store, and hence there is no change in the schema of the store. These selectors are performance-wise good because they use memoization pattern to remember the last answer that they gave. I have already created a video in detailed explanation for the selectors, so please watch that for more information. Suppose you want to build the components and you want to show the view, like suppose in one component you are showing all products and in another component you are showing, let's say, total tax, shipping cost, etc. And so what will you do? Any guess? Well, you will create a selector that will get the raw data from the store and pass the view data required to the components. So this is the principle that we are going to apply to solve our order summary view. See this order summary view. In order to build this view, we need to write selectors which will be attached to the store. And first we will create a cart subtotal selector that will query the store and return the subtotal value into the summary. Next, we will create a selector cart items count which will return the total item count and pass it to the view. Next, we can generate shipping cost selector to get the shipping cost data that will come into the view. After that, we will create an estimated tax selector to show the tax applied to the order. Finally, we will create an order total selector that will display the grand total for this order. So you notice here the selectors are used as the query API for the components to show the business data. So let's begin coding, and so open your favorite editor and let's begin our code. Let's go to the cart selector.ts file and we will create our first selector here. So to get the cart subtotal. Hi viewers, it's me Rupesh, and I appreciate that you want to learn mean.js seriously. So I want to congratulate you first for your determination. If you want to learn more from me, I highly encourage you to enroll my JavaScript courses in Full Stack Master School. You can watch this entire course and many JavaScript in-depth courses as many times as you want. You can watch your favorite courses online or offline, mobile iOS app and Android phone for on-the-go learning. The course comes with plenty of hands-on coding and many interview questions answered with practical industry standard solutions. In case you are interested, the link is in the video description below. Have a great day and I am very excited to teach you in Full Stack Master School. See you there.